Welcome to Dream College Path, where we're empowering students' college journey. At Dream College Path, our mission is simple: to make the college admissions process clearer, more accessible, and less stressful for students and families everywhere. Since launching earlier this year, we've helped students build confidence in their applications, from SAT and ACT prep, to essay writing, to one-on-one mentorship and counseling. We've seen how the right guidance can open doors to incredible opportunities, whether that means getting into your dream university or finding the best path to get there, even if it starts at a community college. But we also realized that not everyone has access to that kind of personalized support. That's why we created this YouTube channel, to bring that same level of clarity, confidence, and expert advice to every student, for free. This channel is here to guide you through every step of your college journey, whether you're just starting to think about where to apply, or you're polishing your essays before hitting submit. Each week, you'll find new videos covering everything from how to build your dream, target, and safety school list, to improving your SAT and ACT scores, to writing powerful personal statements that stand out. We'll also share practical advice on scholarships, financial aid, and application timelines, plus real stories from students who've been through the process and mentors who've helped them succeed. At Dream College Path, we believe every student deserves the chance to dream big and reach the college that fits them best. And that starts with having the right information and support. So whether you're a student, a parent, or an educator, this channel is for you. Subscribe and join us every week as we share tools, strategies, and stories to help you take charge of your college journey. Thank you for being here, and welcome to the Dream College Path YouTube channel, where your journey to college begins with a dream.